How to start an online cake business from home. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to start an online cake business from the comfort of your own home. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of turning your passion for baking into a profitable online venture. Whether you're a seasoned baker looking to expand your reach, or someone who's always dreamt of running their own cake business, this tutorial is designed to provide you with all the essential knowledge and tools you'll need to get started. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Starting an online cake business from home is made simple with the help of Jotform. By utilizing Jotform, you can create your very own online bakery store without needing any coding knowledge. The process is user-friendly and can be completed in just a few easy steps. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To start with Jotform, the first step is to create an account. As I said, you will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. There, you'll find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that best works for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. To begin, navigate to the top left side of the dashboard and locate the My Forms option. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with various choices. From these options, select My Apps. This selection will take you to the My Apps page where you can access and view any existing apps you may have already created. In the instance that you haven't created any apps yet, this page will initially be empty. On the My Apps page, you can create a new online bakery store easily. To do so, simply navigate to the top left side of the page once again and click on the Create App button. Upon clicking this button, you will be directed to another page that presents you with 4 different options: Start from scratch, Use a template, Clone existing app, and Build store. To start our online cake business, we will be using a pre-built bakery store template. To access these templates, we will click on the Use Template option, which will lead us to the Templates library. In this library, you can find a variety of templates organized into categories, conveniently located in the left menu. You can select a category from the menu to explore its corresponding templates. In case you have a specific template in mind, you can also make use of the search bar. For example, if you want to find an online bakery store template, you can enter the keyword bakery in the search bar. After a while, you will see the search results. In this particular case, there is only one template related to the keyword bakery called Bakery App. This template is the one we will choose to build our online store for our cake business. To get a preview of the chosen template, we will click on the Preview button located beneath it. This action will open up an on-screen window where you can see a preview of the app. Within this window, click on the Use Template option to proceed. After a short loading time, the template will be fully loaded, and you will be taken to its interface, ready to customize and create our online bakery store. The interface of the template we have chosen for our online bakery store is clean and user-friendly. As you scroll down, you can see the different pages of the app. The first page is the home page, where you can find the app name, logo, an enticing Order Now button, and attractive pictures of our bakery items. Continuing to scroll down, you come across the second page, which is the product page. Here, you can showcase our fresh and delicious bakery products, complete with their names and prices. This page allows customers to explore our offerings and make informed decisions about their purchases. Further down, you will encounter the third page, which includes a map highlighting the location of our bakery factory. Alongside the map, there is a Reach Us button that enables customers to easily contact you if they have any questions or special requests. This page helps provide a personalized touch to your online bakery store and fosters a sense of trust and accessibility. Apart from the existing pages, you also have the option to add new pages to your app. For example, if you want to create a dedicated page for our cake and cookie products, you can easily do so. To add a new page, navigate to the bottom of the template's interface and locate the Add Page button. Clicking on this button will create a new page at the end of the template, ready for customization. Let's say you want to add a page specifically for cakes and cookies. To achieve this, click on the Add Page button at the bottom of the editor. A new page will be created, and you can give it a name. By double-clicking on the page, the right sidebar will open, allowing you to replace the default text in the Page Name field with the desired name, such as Cakes and Cookies. Once you make this change, you will see the updates applied to the page, and you can proceed with adding the relevant elements and content to showcase your cake and cookie offerings. Now that you have changed the name of the page to Cakes and Cookies, the next step is to add elements to it. To do this, navigate to the left side of the template interface and click on the Add Element option. Upon clicking, a left sidebar will appear, presenting a variety of elements that can be added to the page. You have the option to add basic elements such as forms, signed documents, headings, paragraphs, links, images, and more. Additionally, there are widgets available such as data grids, PDF embedders, fit text, and more. Since our goal is to add a product listing to the newly created page, we will click on the Basic section in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Product Listing option. Once located, click on it, and the product listing element will be added to your store. After adding the product listing, you can click on the product templates within it to customize them further. By clicking on a product template, an Edit button will appear, which you should click on to proceed. Clicking the Edit button opens the right sidebar where you can customize the product details. First, enter the name of the product in the Name field, for example, cake. Then, in the Price field, set the price of the product. If desired, you can also add a small description related to the product in the designated Description field. To include an image of the product, click on the Choose Images option and upload an image from your computer. Once these changes are made, they will be reflected in the app, allowing customers to see the updated product information when browsing through your online bakery store. Once you have uploaded the image of the product and customized its details, the next step is to set up the options for the product. Within the right sidebar, navigate to the Options section. Here, you can add a quantity of cakes by clicking on the Add button and providing the relevant quantity details. Additionally, if you want to include product options, such as different flavors or sizes, click on the Add button next to Add a Product option. By doing so, you can provide a label for the option in the Label field and specify the variants in the available fields. These changes will automatically be saved once you have completed the necessary details. After adding the product and setting up its options, the next crucial step is to configure a payment method. To do this, click on the Store Properties option within the right sidebar. This action will open the right sidebar with additional settings. Within this sidebar, locate and click on the Add Payment Integration button. Upon clicking, an on-screen window will appear, presenting you with various payment methods that can be added to your store. Choose the payment method that suits your preferences. For instance, if you wish to integrate the Square payment method, click on the Square option and then click on Continue. You will then be redirected to another window where you need to click on the Connect button and provide the necessary authorization for the Square payment integration. Follow the prompts and provide the required information to establish the connection between your online bakery store and the chosen payment method. After customizing the design and layout of your store in the Build section, you can proceed to customize the app settings by clicking on the Settings section. This will take you to the Settings page where you can further personalize the app settings, including the app name, icon, and splash screen. Once you have made the desired changes to the settings, you can move on to the next step. In the Publish section, you have various options for sharing and embedding your app. To share your app, click on the Quick Share section. Here you can copy the shareable link and distribute it to others. You can also invite people via email to view your app. Additionally, you have the option to download a QR code for your app by clicking on the Download QR Code button. This QR code can be used to direct users to your app. Furthermore, you can open the app in a new tab to see how it looks from a user's perspective by clicking on the Open in New Tab button. In the Embed section, you can find an embed code that can be copied and pasted into any WordPress website to seamlessly embed your app there. This allows you to showcase your bakery app within an existing website or blog. Let's say you decide to click on the Open in New Tab button to see how your app looks from a user's perspective. Upon clicking, you will be directed to a new tab where you can view the bakery app you have just created. Once the app is opened in the new tab, you can explore it from the user's point of view. Clicking on the Order tab will display the products available. By clicking on the Add to Cart button below each product, users can add items to their shopping cart. Additionally, if they click on the heart icon, they can mark a product as a favorite. These features allow users to easily browse and purchase products from your online bakery store. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to start an online cake business from home with Jotform. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.